Welcome back to TechSolutionZ, your go-to channel for practical Linux tutorials and easy-to-follow guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to successfully install Timeshift on Zorin OS 18, one of the most reliable tools for creating and managing system backups on Linux. Now, before we begin, let's quickly talk about what Timeshift is. Timeshift is a powerful backup utility that allows you to take snapshots of your system. These snapshots can be used to restore your Linux installation to a previous working state in case of a crash, failed update, or any system issue. It's an essential tool for anyone who wants peace of mind while experimenting or maintaining a stable system. All right, let's get started with the installation. First, open the Terminal app on your Zorin OS. Begin by updating your Linux package index to make sure all repositories are up to date. Next, we'll add the Timeshift PPA repository. Follow along as I demonstrate on screen. Don't worry, I've added all the commands in the video description for your convenience. Once the repository has been added, update your package index again to refresh the newly added source. Now you can install Timeshift by typing the installation command as shown. The process shouldn't take long, and once it's complete, Timeshift will be successfully installed on your system. You can now close the terminal and find Timeshift in your Start menu. When you launch it for the first time, you'll be asked to select a backup type. Choose rsync. Rsync is the most commonly used method that efficiently copies only the changed files during backups, saving both space and time. Here's the interface of the application. As you can see, it's very straightforward. You can easily create backups of your current Linux system and restore them whenever you need. It's a great tool to keep your system safe and your work secure. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Keep exploring, keep learning, and continue mastering Linux, because learning Linux is always a good idea. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.